Wayne in right now is real good.
Gonna have that class again?
Must be a heavy 08. They'll all come around again. See Bozine back taking away in again. Colleteers back there.
Oh, yeah.
Here he comes.
Silver Moore just claimed, came and claimed the prize of $134.50. Wilfred Applespender. Give my good hand, ladies and gentlemen, Chad Shirley of Lincoln right there.
That guy.
Chad Max. Chad Shirley pulled a distance of 269 feet 7 inches. 269 feet 7 inches for Chad Shirley.